Hello everyone. So we are continuing with our anthropology series, and all those videos which are related to anthropology I will be sharing in this series. Today we will see the book list for anthropology. See, anthropology का एक सबसे ज़्यादा drawback ये है, we don't have any concised book which includes all the syllabus material. And again I am saying, don't rely on one single particular book. It is difficult, it is not possible for any book to provide all the content related to anthropology in one single particular book. I will tell you why. See, the pattern of the question is changing day by day in anthropology. So to include all the question, all the probabilities in one single book, it is completely difficult. And anthropology, as we are seeing the division of the syllabus. See, division of the syllabus is very wide. So for any one particular book, it is completely difficult to give all the material in one book. Okay, so you have to understand this. First part. Second, there are multiple sources. We can read from multiple sources and we can cover our syllabus. Okay, so you have to understand that we can cover the syllabus from these sources and we can read the entire portion holistically. So starting from paper 1, we are here seeing that socio-cultural anthropology. For socio-cultural anthropology, which are the topics in the syllabus? We know that for topic number 2, topic number 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, second topic, third topic, fourth topic, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. All these topics are covered in the socio-cultural anthropology. So in the socio-cultural anthropology, we can cover from one is Ved sir's book, that is In Search of Ourselves. Ved sir, N.K. Ved, that is one book is there. Then you can read from Braithwaite. Braithwaite is again very good material. And Anthropology Simplified, that is Vivek Basme, written by Vivek Basme. From Vivek Basme, you can take the examples and diagrams. Okay. Another material which you should refer if you have time, those especially preparing for 2021, is IGNOU material. The topic of religion, the topic of political organization, the second marriage, family, kinship. All these topics are very well covered in this IGNOU material. Okay, so I suggest you to refer to the IGNOU material. Okay, note it down, IGNOU material. Then moving forward, anthropological theories. Now many people find it very difficult to read the anthropological theories. See, for the anthropological theories, one thing you have to understand, that you have to understand the theory first. So you read from whichever the material. If you are not understanding the theory, then it is not point. Any material you read, वो ज़्यादा helpful नहीं होगा. So इसके लिए एक सबसे important जो है, that is e-पाठशाला. For every theory there is one particular topic in e-पाठशाला. E-पाठशाला, you just search e-पाठशाला. E-पाठशाला में anthropology subject में जाना. They have divided the syllabus according to the UPSC syllabus. Okay, so for theories you have to refer to the e-पाठशाला. One. Second, for theories you can refer to the IGNOU material also. And third, Vivek Basme का handwritten notes है, which I have uploaded on my. We have formed a separate anthropology channel, that is anthropology preparation with IPS Yogesh Patil. Okay, you can refer to that channel. I have uploaded all the notes related to anthropology on that channel, and we are practicing the answer writing. Okay, so how we can go beyond 300, that is our approach there. Then physical anthropology in paper 1. For physical anthropology, write down the sources. The sources can be, one is P. Nath. Okay, so you have to refer to the P. Nath, that is one important source. Then P. Nath एक है. Then उसके बाद आप क्या रेफर कर सकते हैं? IGNOU का मटेरियल थोड़ा सा है, एंड तेलुगु एकेडमी का मटेरियल है. तेलुगु एकेडमी. Okay, so Telugu Academy का material है, that is again useful material. How to use the Telugu Academy? Again, Telugu Academy का material, it is just according to the syllabus of the UPSC. Okay, so Telugu Academy का material देख लेना physical anthropology के लिए, and also refer to the PNA. Okay, so and for diagrams you can refer to the Anthropology Simplified, and also e-पाठशाला material. From e-पाठशाला you can get some case studies and all that. Moving forward to the paper 2. In paper 2, topic number 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, these are from Indian anthropology. So Indian anthropology कहाँ से cover किया जा सकता है? One is Indian anthropology by Nadim Hasnain. Nadim Hasnain में बहुत सारा topic दिया गया है, so you can refer to that. But For Indian anthropology, the important topic is caste system. For the caste system, you have to refer to the IGNOU material. IGNOU material is very important for the caste system, and also you have to extend for the village studies, also refer to the IGNOU material, and for the village studies you have to refer to the material of E-Pathshala again. Okay, so E-Pathshala is there, IGNOU material is there, and also in Indian anthropology by Nadeem Hussain. Then tribal anthropology. See, tribal anthropology is very important for our syllabus because that is very scoring part, and many people are not able to write answers. There are many points in the syllabus which are not covered in every, not any book, any particular book. Tribal anthropology is not good in any particular book. I have read many books, but no book have covered tribal anthropology holistically. So where can you read this? One is Professor Zaza committee report, that is high level committee report of 2013 and 14. Second, Tribal Anthropology by Nadeem Hussain. Third book I am referring to you, that is a reference book. Okay, one is Tribal India, Tribal India by LP Vidyarthi. LP Vidyarthi का एक book है. I am not recalling the name of the book. Okay, वो LP Vidyarthi का book है. That is the important book. And another source here is internet. From internet you have to search the case studies. Okay, for ethnicity and all other topics you have to search the case studies. Okay, so that is important. Then moving forward is archaeology. आर्कियोलॉजी का जो भी पोर्शन है, आर्कियोलॉजी का पोर्शन आपको कौन से टॉपिक में से कवर करना पड़ेगा, तो कौन से बुक से? वन इज मुनिरत्नम रेड्डी नोट्स. ओके, आई हैव शेयर्ड दोस नोट्स ऑन माय चैनल, मुनिरत्नम रेड्डी नोट्स. एंड सेकंड इज DK Bhattacharya is there. Okay, DK Bhattacharya is there, but I won't suggest you to read that particular book. Then you can read also from Nadeem Hussain. Okay, Nadeem Hussain से भी आप पढ़ सकते हो. And take the diagrams and structure from the Anthropology Simplified. Okay, Anthropology Simplified में उसका structure बहुत अच्छा दिया है. So this is the comprehensive book list of this anthropology syllabus. And for value addition, you have to search on internet. There is good source. And second, for case studies and all these things I will share on my channel. Then third, refer to the toppers notes. जैसे कि Sachin Gupta's notes are there. Then there are Rahul Venkat is there. Then Chittaranjan Das is there. Then there are many toppers who have shared their notes. Okay, you can refer to their notes also. So this is the comprehensive book list for anthropology. In the next video, I will talk about how you can score 300 plus in anthropology. So this series is going to be interesting, and we will cover most of the portion of the anthropology in this series. So all the best. Thank you.